All right, this time we're going to have fun with materials, okay? Everything you see here are basically the following four objects here are made from one box, okay? And this is the ramp right here. You can see here, it says prism. So what I'm going to do is quickly add materials to these, all right? I'll leave maybe, at this point, the thing that I do know, I did get a base plane of 10 by 10. So watch, I basically did this, okay? All right, look at it. Oh, this is nice. So I'm going to make a ceiling basically here. And I'm going to bring this down and just bring it over, okay? At this point, what happens is, I know most people think of this application, the purpose of it is for architecture, visualization, and so on, but it's really an intuitive application where, in my opinion, you don't even need the external applications. You can just make everything you want in here. The furniture library is unbelievable. So we're going to get to that step by step. So what I'm just basically doing here is I'm creating a space, okay, some kind of an exterior space, okay, with a ramp, and I'm working on materials. That's the goal here. So, okay, I have my basic objects done. So we'll go in here and we'll go up right to the top where it says materials, right? Okay, we'll start with, let's say, wood, okay? I've done this before. I love this material right here. Just going to hover, done. Look at that, okay? So first material, wood. And pay attention to this part, okay? Just closer attention. Notice that right here, again, I'm just going to get rid of reflection right away. Bye-bye. Scale. See that? Isn't this beautiful? Okay, scale works beautifully. We'll get into this. And notice now at the edge, I want to do something more about this. Okay, so is there anything here? Oh, look at this. There's more. What does it do? So we're going to move in one direction or the other. Right here. Okay, so X, there's this way, not helping right now. So I'm just going to work in this one here. So look, there. I'm just going to line this up so that the edge is clean right there. Something like that. So you can hover around, play, whatever you want. You can basically move it. Look at that. Okay. All right. So that's working really nicely for me. I just can't stop playing with this. Okay. So that looks good. I'm happy with this material. Let's just continue quickly with the next one. All right. So I have a wall here, and this time perhaps I will go with brick. All right. And really amazing. You hover over these, and then the material comes up on the right there. Okay. So let's go with something like this. Nope, too rough. All right. Let's go in here, crank it in there, and look at that. Now that looks to me out of proportion, right? Not a problem. I'm just going to reduce my reflection. Yes. And I'm going to play with my scale, okay? Okay, there it goes, something like that. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, perfect. All right, let's go with some kind of a concrete slab here and see what we can find. All right, it says concrete right there. Oh, this is sweet. This looks a bit polished to me, so I just want to go with something more. Oh, this is more like a terrazzo. Okay, so let's just bring this one in like that. Okay, that's nice. And for here, I think what I'll do is I'll put this one as glass material. So let's just go in here, have fun. Okay, we have concrete, we have glass. Look at that, okay? Nice low reflection. The mirror type and reflected glass. Let's just bring that here. Done. And the amount of opacity. Sweet. Right here. That's awesome. Okay. Metallicness. Okay. If you don't like that material, just come down here. Here's one of my favorite ones down here. Let's see, there's some really beautiful patterns, like right here. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, that was just maybe it's too small of the pattern. So let's see what I can do here. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, that looks really cool. I love this one. Okay, let's go. One more this time. Let's pick something for here. Let's get some tiles in here just for fun. Or even a metal. Again, this is so fascinating. You just have to explore. It's a lot of fun. Okay, you've seen me use this. One of my first demos right there. Wow, how beautiful that looks. Okay, let's go with ceiling. There's actually even ceiling tiles in here, I believe. I've seen it. I've used it. I'm not a fan right now, so I'm not even going to touch it. Let's go to something else. Okay, leather. Yeah, this is what I'm saying, okay? So those are tiles, that's not it. Let's go with metal. Let's see what we can do here. I need some kind of a cool pattern. Okay, look at that. That looks nice. This one, okay, that looks kind of interesting. Aluminum siding. Oh boy, let's go for it. Okay, so I think the scale looks good. I don't really have to do much to this. And then sometimes, look, it wants us to input a number. I'm more of a visual person, so I like to drag and drop. And there it is, okay? And then you can always leave it at 1 in here, 1, enter. Oops, I'm just going to come in here and just leave it at 1 or 10. There, 100. That's a little too much. Obviously, we'll just highlight it, go 1, 0, enter. There you go. Okay, that's nice. And again, remember that we have the option of rotating this, right? So look, 15-degree increments. Oh yeah, there it is right here. And then what I'll do is I'll just come down here and scale it out. Okay, this is going way overboard here, and I'm having too much fun. You and your students are going to love this, okay? Enjoy. This is really, really fun. Okay, I'm out for this one.